LED solar pathway lights. So these are perfect for illuminating sidewalks and pathways. So in this box we have 500K of white cold light, and there's no wiring needed. It's solar powered, which is great. So this comes with 10 lumens. It's just actually super bright, and they automatically turn on. So that's good. Once it senses that it's dark outside, they're going to turn on, and so that you can see your way on whatever path you choose. So this has 12 of the lights. So let's see how they look. So when we open the box, not only does it have the lights, but it has instructions, which are always helpful. And also a winning ticket. Ooh. So yeah, let me show you how they look. So there's 12 of these. So it comes with, it looks like this, and then this. So it's pretty easy to put together, but first thing you want to do is make sure that you turn this to the on position here. So it goes from off to on so that it can automatically turn on. So this is the solar panel to charge. So then once that's on, you can go ahead and put this right in here. Just twist, and then it's locked in. And then this part, turn it around so that this can go into the ground if you're putting it into the ground, which I intend to, so it'll go along the pathway outside. So this will stick into the ground. So then, yeah, so this is each unit. So there's 12 of these. So you stick it into the ground, and then at night, it's going to illuminate the pathway. So yeah, let's get all of these ready, and then I'll show you how that looks at night. See how that's on already? So look how bright these lights are. I had to try them out right away before I got home. I like that little starburst design. As you can see, everything is really dark out here. Look at that. Pitch black, right? But right here, even from a distance, look how bright that is. See, isn't that bright? Like even further away, you can see the little starburst design on the ground. See how bright that is? So I'm looking forward to putting this around my walkway so I can see the sidewalk and stay off the grass, and it's nice and bright. And they automatically turn on when it gets dark outside, and it's solar powered. I'm loving that. I'm just really excited to use these as soon as I get home.